Hi, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today we're going over the rebuild kit for the Polaris 360. The Polaris 360 is, I believe, the only the normal looking pressure cleaner that they have. That's newer. It has the 1.5 inch hose feed in the back of it. So this one requires no booster pump, which is great. I like not having a booster pump because that's one more piece of mechanics that can break down. However, cleaner's pretty solid. So let's go ahead and dive into what comes in the box of this rebuild kit. The rebuild kit part number is 9-100-9060. A lot comes into this box. So you can see the description on the back of this thing. Here's all your parts. We'll list them here in the bottom of the video. But this thing is literally going to come with everything you see here minus the frame, which the frame is on the inside. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to take everything out of the box, show you what it comes with. This is not going to be our how to rebuild the video or how to rebuild it, but I'm going to show you everything that does come inside of it, which will be kind of cool. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. So pretty nice that it comes with the entire body, because I know yours at home gets real faded after probably like a month. So it's going to look all nice, blue and sparkly like it does here, which is kind of neat. So it comes with the body, it comes with all these little gizmos and gadgets, the little knobber attached to the back here, pre-assembled, which is cool because that's a real pain in the butt to get to, because those have these hoses on the inside with tie straps that are actually clamped on there, zip ties pretty much. So yeah, that's what the body is. This fun little box. The body off right here. This box comes with the C10s. This little guy, the feed pipe. So the feed pipe goes through the center of the cleaner, and this is what the water from your pump ends up flowing through into the water management system. It kind of makes your cleaner go. So this is actually gets installed in here. But yeah, comes with a new feed pipe. So like I was saying, I'm going to keep saying it, this thing literally comes with all of the internals that this cleaner is going to need. So feed pipe, you got your wheels, hubcaps with pre-installed C10 wheels, tracks installed on here, tires. So these are good tires, don't get me wrong. If you have a tile or a fiberglass pool, then you're not going to use these tires. You're going to use the PosiTrack tires, so you're going to have to purchase those separately, unfortunately. So let's put these off to the side. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Comes with all 3. Complete hose assembly. So it comes with your sweep hose. So literally identical. Comes with the exact same, the entire thing plugs into the back of the cleaner, and this is your standard hose scrubber. This is not the Tail Sweep Pro. So if you want the Tail Sweep Pro, purchase that separately. This is your standard hose scrubber. We do recommend the Tail Sweep Pro, obviously, because it doesn't squirt your entire backyard and your children and your house and pretty much everything if you've had these cleaners before. So get the Tail Sweep Pro, the TSP10. You get a new bag. It's kind of neat. It's the Velcro bag. So the bag you get with the Velcro opening, it's actually what comes standard on this cleaner. So they do have upgradable bags, but however, the one that it does come with is a standard Velcro bag for the 360. Now the fun box. All right, this is your internals. Everything inside here is a mess. So you actually get a bunch of your hose weights in this one. I'm pretty sure you actually get almost all your hose weights in this one. So it comes with 3 of these actually the floats, not hose weights. That would make sense. So hose floats. So this keeps all your hose assembly to the top of the water surface. You got frame parts in here. You have your hose weight or your cleaner weight. And with these, they're very specific. So it literally says 360 on this one. So a 380 will not work. So if you have a rebuild kit for a 380, try not to use it. You've got your bearing. This is your hose bearing. So pretty much when you have your hoses come together, they give you one hose bearing in this box. So use it wisely. You got your backup valve for this cleaner. So obviously this is not your standard backup valve for all the other pressure cleaners, because as you can see here, your larger 1.5-inch hosing is going to go on here. So the other ones are a lot smaller, but this guy is clutch, because when your cleaner gets stuck, it's going to pull that cleaner out of its corner. You got your cleaner hose float, or your cleaner float, and then you have all your gear mechanisms here. Then you have your bag, which appears to be ripped open in mine. You have your bag full of goodies. You're talking belt kit, you're talking screws, bearings, swivels, axle rods. You got it all going on here. So this is the internal bag. And the best part about this bag is your parts diagram right here. It tells you what goes where. So we will have a separate video that's going to show you what goes where, because this thing it looks overwhelming, but once you get the hang of it and do your how-to step-by-step after what this guide tells you to do, it's actually not terrible. So I actually have 2 floating screws here in the bottom. So whatever this has, I have 2 extras. And then you have 1 more. So this is the rebuild kit for the 360. Yeah, it's a lot. So you get the whole cleaner pretty much besides the frame. So if your 360 goes bad, buy this at a fraction of the cost of what a brand new cleaner would cost you. You just got to do a little labor on yourself on how to rebuild these things. And yeah, you're going to get pretty much a brand new cleaner for a fraction of the cost, which is really pretty cool. Because if you already have a 360, the frame that you currently have has a 10-year warranty. So if for some reason that goes bad, contact Polaris. They'll probably just send you another frame or tell you to go to a service center in your area to swap that frame out. All you have to have is proof of purchase, obviously. But yeah, so I am Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.